Hi everyone! Today we're gonna make braised chicken wings. Chicken wings in Chinese, 鸡翅. They are very good appetizers, very good finger food. I made it for Super Bowl and they were gone so quickly. And if you like my soy chicken wings, you will like this recipe too, because this is even simpler. You don't need to marinate. Let me show you the ingredients. Yeah, I have 1.5 pounds of chicken wings. This is a mid joint of chicken wings. And we have a few slices of ginger. And this is Sichuan peppercorn, 2 anise seeds, and 2 bay leaves, and 2 pieces of rock sugar. If you don't have it, you can use regular sugar, is about 1 teaspoon. And we use, of course, soy sauce. This is light soy sauce. Some of you ask me the soy sauce I use. This is a Pearl River Bridge Chinese brand. I will leave the links in the message box. And this is dark soy sauce. Of course, the Shaoxing cooking wine. If you cannot use cooking wine, you can just add some chicken stock instead. And of course, I said for Chinese cooking, we don't measure. But for you guys, last time when I made it, I wrote down the amounts, how much of each ingredient. I'm going to leave in the message box. Check it out. This way will make it easier for you guys. So for chicken wings, I already washed, cleaned, and so in order to get all the flavors in, we just need to poke a little bit. Sorry, chicken wings. And we are ready to braise the chicken wings. I have about 3 cups of cold water, so add the wings in. Let me wash my hands. Now we'll turn heat on to high and bring this to a boil. Meanwhile, we'll skim the top. After about 3 minutes, we're gonna add gingers, rock sugar, bay leaves, anise seeds, Sichuan peppercorn, and two tablespoons light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons dark soy sauce. If you don't have it, just use the light soy sauce. This is for color. And Shaoxing cooking wine, 2 tablespoons. And about ½ teaspoon salt. You guys ask why I use both soy sauce and salt. You know, soy sauce, salt, they season differently. Soy sauce also give a flavor and some color. And so we just mix this well. And we'll turn this down to medium low and cover it. Cook about 25 minutes. After about 25 minutes, our chicken wings are done. Technically, you can eat now, but to make it more flavorful, to soak all the flavors, we just turn to the lowest heat to simmer for another 25 to 30 minutes. After about 30 minutes soaking and simmering, our chicken wings are ready. And even for this base, you can reuse it. Actually, last time I used to cook ribs. And I'm going to take them out. Don't they look so appetizing? Cannot wait to eat. It's finger food. Jump in. Chicken so tender, perfectly done. I can taste all the spices. And a little bit of rock sugar, really balanced flavors. So good. Please try to make it. So simple and your brazen is a good way to make food. And you just set it, leave it, and let it cook. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.